Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to add music to your videos using InShot app. So if you want to add music to your videos using InShot app, what you have to do is, first of all, you have to open up your InShot application, and after opening your InShot application, what you have to do is, now you have to tap on video, and after tapping on video, just tap on new. Now you have to select the video which you would like to add a music on. And after selecting a video, just tap on the tick icon which is on the bottom right. And after tapping on the tick icon, now it will take you to a page where you can edit your video. So now we want to add a music to our video, so just tap on the music icon which is on the bottom left. And now you can select a music, or you can add effects, or you can also add your own recorded voice to this video. So I would like to add a music, and from here you can select a music from the application which this app provides, or you can also select musics from your device, from my music, or you can also add some effects to your video. So now you can select a playlist that you would like, and inside that now you can select a music that you would like to add to your video. Just tap on that music and just tap on install. And after installing that audio, now you can see you can use that. So to use that, just tap on use. After tapping on use, you can see you have used that music on your video. So now what you can do is, you can split this, you can delete this, you can basically drag this and join it to here. You can increase the volume, you can increase the field, you can also increase the fade, and you can edit however you like. And yeah, after editing your video, now you just have to tap on the tick arrow which is on the right side of your screen. And after tapping on the tick arrow, now you have to tap on save which is on the top right. So now after tapping on save, now you can change the resolution of your video. You can also change the frame rate, you can also change your format. So to change the resolution, you just have to tap on resolution, and now you can change it to 720p, or you can also turn all the way up to 4K. And after doing that, now you can also change the FPS from 24 to 60 FPS, and now you can select a file format. And after doing all that, now you just have to tap on save. And after tapping on save, now it will try to convert your video to the resolution and frame rate that you have set it for that video. And after completing this process, you will successfully add music to your video using InShot app. So this is how you can add music to your videos using InShot app. If you think this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.